The real zombie fungus, I think that kind of means something else, but whatever. Yeah. You're training your own.
Yeah, that thing.
You're training the killer. You're training your own killer.
Got it.
Just give it time. The real zombie fungus that inspired HBO's The Last of Us. A lot of people, I don't know if everybody knows that it was inspired in such a way. Humans will probably never face a fungal apocalypse, but in the insect world, mind-controlling fungi can pose a serious threat. And this was like, what was it on? Was it Planet Earth?
Yeah, about mushroom cordyceps.
Yeah.
Fungi cordyceps.
Fungi can take over ants' minds, killing the host and using its body to spread spores to others. Let's go. Wow.
Let's go.
I mean, it's just so cool.
Yeah.
I understand you're saying it's kind of grim, but it is like, my goodness, nature, it has all of it in it. If you look hard enough, it's all in there. And I love having some kind of real world connection that floats into fiction, right? And replaces it just somehow feels more believable. In the zombie realm, there's been all kinds of versions of how it goes down.
Yeah. Yeah.
But this one, I like that it draws inspiration from an actual thing. In typical zombie apocalypse stories like The Walking Dead, World War Z, and Train to Busan, a virus quickly transforms people into bloodthirsty monsters. But in The Last of Us, it's a little different. Pathogen-carrying human hosts are not undead. They're still alive. And it's not a virus that's infected them, but rather a fungus. I don't mind.
Yeah, it's based more on reality.
Oh, there you go.
Science.
It was part of Planet Earth documentary series. The fungus takes over the mind of an ant. So anybody who didn't know this particular connection, you can actually look into it, and you should definitely seek out the Planet Earth clip because it is fascinating.
Yeah, like there's fungi that sprouts out from the ant. Ugh.
Oh, it's beautiful stuff.
Ugh.
And so here we have a mycologist from the university, West Virginia University, who says it's not that far-fetched to me. He's saying the show. The fungi in the show, he likes it. They are stranger than fiction. Fungi is stranger than fiction. We actually share quite a bit with it. We have a weird relationship with it, Will. It's far more advanced than we're aware of.
Yeah.
Fungi is complex. And it takes over ants in some circumstances, and you're next, Will. ChatGPT, how do I avoid the takeover?
Can you save me?
Yeah. ChatGPT is like, sure, I'll just kill you later.
Yeah. Slow death.
That'll kill you now. I'll kill you later.